gonna do the whole one long play. So just open the whole thing, and then both
Okay.
packs.
Ooh. What the fuck? It's being weird.
It should be just like the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, the promo's in there.
Yeah, it's stuck in there. There's that thing. Here. So just go for it.
Just open them.
All right.
It's Twilight Masquerade and Surging Sparks, just
Okay.
like the other one.
All right.
There wasn't a prismatic evolution or a journey together.
It's the one.
Let's see. Let's see if we got a
All
card
right.
that we'll call $5 out of the
Something.
last two. Oh, there's an Abra. There's a reverse foil. There's
What?
a regular. There's our big hit, which is nothing really. There's a free code.
No big deal.
But,
I said no big deal. We'll just chuck them in there.
yeah, I don't. Like,
Nothing
again,
special.
those regular foils, if it's a certain Pokemon or something, maybe like $30 in a 10. But this is the good pack. This is the set I always get a hit. It's never anything good, but you get like a 2-star or an EX. A Mime, a trainer card.
Oh.
Shit.
Ah.
What was it? It's alright. You didn't
Fucking-
get anything anyway.
Yeah, it's all sliding in my fucking hands.
I don't even know that focus. Well,
Let's
you
see,
know,
what was that one?
that would have been.
This was the big one. Or supposed to be the good one?
That's a good. No, that's just a regular ass foil.
Stage 1.
This is the slug card. The Excadrill and the Swablu. Yeah. I don't think we got anything at all out of that. There's.
That one's a fucking ugly ass card.
Yes.
Yeah.
That Pokemon is gross.
That's pretty tight though. That's an
What?
okay. That art on that one's okay. I like that.
Yeah. There's our promo.
Okay.
That's like the hit. I think that is like, even if I think it's
That's
lower,
the big money.
I think it's lower like $2. But I think it's like the. Although that one looks pretty clean.
Oh, it is a nice looking card.
Like I don't see any damage or markings. Like it might be worth getting graded.
Yeah, these all fucking were just. This pack was ugly as fuck.
Yeah, I'm glad I kept 4 sealed because I'm gonna
Totally.
resell those.
Yeah, do that shit.